Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use string.trim in C Sharp. So why do we need to use the string.trim? Basically, when we have unwanted characters in beginning and end of the string or word or sentence, then we need to use this string.trim to get rid of these unwanted spaces and character or whatever you want to get rid of at the end or beginning. So how do we use it? Let's get to the first sample. So what I have here is input string, which I have multiple spaces at the beginning and multiple spaces at the end. Then what I'm gonna do is I do a console.write line to display this string. Then I'm gonna use string to get rid of this string, these spaces. Then I will output the result. So let's try it out. Okay, here we have the input string, which contains the spaces, and we have the output string, which doesn't contain any spaces. So let's move ahead. The sample 2. Let's change this to sample 2. Then come to sample 2. Okay. What we have here is /r/n, which is basically the next line character. So we have spaces in the beginning. We have next line character at the end. So we will display this input string, then we're going to trim this, then we're going to display it again, the output. So let's try it out. Okay, you can see here the spaces at the beginning and the next lines at the beginning, at the end. So after trimming, we have just plain string without any new lines or without any spaces. So we have the result here and it's nicely trimmed out. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to get rid of a character, not just the next line or not just the space. This will be a character which you can specify with it as a parameter. So let's change it to sample 3. Okay, what I have here is uh, full stop at the beginning at the end, and I'm going to trim it out. Then let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see it is trimmed out the parameter that we passed. So no full stops at the end or beginning, just the wordings only, which is we expected. So what is next sample we have here? So it is multiple characters. So what we're going to do is we're going to trim one by one characters, and we can specify multiple characters as comma separated parameters inside the trim method. So let's try it out. Okay, here's the result. You can see there are multiple characters, full stop, comma, dollar symbol, pipeline, and dot is here in the input string. Once we use the trimming with the given parameters, we don't have the those unwanted characters anymore. So we get the desired output. Okay, that's it. Then we move to the next sample. What do we have here? Okay, uh, you can see there are spaces in the beginning and spaces at the end. Okay, my first output is I'm gonna just use trim start instead of trim to get rid of these uh, spaces in the start. Then I'm gonna use trim end to get rid of these spaces at the end. So basically it just doesn't trim the everything but separately start and end. Let's try it out. Okay, okay, so we have the output result. We have the input string here with the spaces and backspaces. Then we have the output 1. We don't have the spaces in the front anymore. And the output 2, we don't have the spaces at the back anymore. So this is how you trim separately, just the beginning or at the end. So what we have done here today is 5 examples with using trim and trim start and trim end. I think you learned something. Subscribe for more videos and give us a like. Thank you very much.